Hello, my dear students. Namaskar to all the students of JP Accountancy Hub. Now, in this particular session, let us learn the problem which is asked recently in September 2024 batch. Okay, see what happened in class 15. The question is from September 2024. For how many marks? It is a marks of 4. Pass journal entries to rectify the following errors using a suspense account. Means just you have to rectify the entry. No need to prepare any suspense account. Use the suspense account wherever necessary is asking. See now the first one. Goods of the value of rupees 500 returned by Mr. A. Returned by Mr. A. Returned by Mr. A means what? Sales returns. What to do with the sales returns? It is the opposite of sales debited. Who is Mr. A? Mr. A is a debtor. Debtor is decreased. When debtor decreased, he is to be credited. As a asset decreases, credit. Enter it in the sales day book. Where the entry is made? The entry is made in sales book. Sales book is a income. Income is a wrong credit. Posted therefrom to the credit of his account. Credit of his account means what? Credit of his account means, that is, credit of Mr. A you have credited. See what to do for Mr. A? This is similar of last class problem. What to do Mr. A? For Mr. A we have to credit. For Mr. A what you have done? Mr. A you have credited. So Mr. A is not to be taken for our rectification. I hope you got it. Mr. A is to be credited. Mr. A is being credited. Is to be credited, is being credited. So Mr. A you have taken the correct entry. But what happened? The wrong things. Instead of taking sales returns, you have take it in sales book. Now what is your rectified entry? Keep the correct in the same place. Keep the correct in the same place. Shift the wrong in the opposite place. Then what happened? Sales returns account debit. Sales account debit to suspense account. Apad Bandhava is suspense, right? Now your first journal entry will be sales returns account debit. Sales account debit to suspense account. How much amount, my dear students? 500 dash 500 dash 1000 being wrong credit to sales account is rectified. Did you understood, my dear students, what I told? Instead of taking in sales returns book, he has taken in sales book as a wrongly. However, Mr. A's account is correctly credited. So Mr. A is to be ignored. See the next one. Have a concentration. 250 entered in the sales returns book. 250 entered in the sales returns book has been posted to the debit of Mr. R who returned the goods. See, 250 entered in the sales returns book. So entered in the sales returns book. Sales returns book is to be ignored because it is entered in the sales returns book. Sales returns is made by whom? Made by debtor. When the debtor returned the goods, the debtor decreased. When the debtor decreased, we have to take it in the credit side as a correct entry. But what you have done? You have taken in the debit side of Mr. R as a wrong entry. My dear students, did you understood what I told? 250 returned entered in the sales returns book. So sales returns book में entry हुआ. Sales returns book is not to be taken for rectification. Has been posted to the debit of Mr. R. When goods returned by Mr. R. Who is Mr. R? Mr. R is a debtor. When the debtor, please listen carefully, please listen carefully, please listen carefully. When the debtor returned goods, when the customer returned goods, according to the Panchatareyaru, debtor is a asset. When the asset decreases, it is to be credited. Credited is a correct entry. But where you have taken in the debit of Mr. R. Then what is your rectified entry, my dear students? Keep the correct in the same place. Shift the wrong in the opposite place. What happened? Mr. R is to be credited. Mr. R is to be credited. So Mr. R is to be credited how many times? Mr. R is to be credited for 2 times. Then who is to be debited? Suspense account is to be debited. Did you understood? Keep the correct in the same place. Mr. R credit. Mr. R is in the wrong debit. He is to be credited. So Mr. R is to be credited for how many times? Mr. R is to be credited for 2 times with an amount of rupees 250. Let us write the second entry. Suspense account debit to Mr. R account. 250 plus 250. It comes what? 500 dash 500. Being wrong debit to Mr. R account is rectified. Okay, fine. See the next one. What happened? A sale of 700 made to Mr. Q. Sale of 700 made to Mr. Q. Correctly entered in the sales day book. So sales day book correctly entered. So cancel the sales. Right? When you sold the goods, to whom? Mr. R. Who is Mr. R? Mr. R is debtor. Right? See. Sale of 700. Sale of 700. Sale of 700 made to Mr. Q. Who is Mr. Q? Mr. Q is a debtor. Debtor increases. Debtor is to be debited with an amount of rupees 700. Sale of made to Q, sale made to Mr. Q 700. Q is a debtor. Debtor increases. Debtor is to be debited with 700. Entered correctly in the sales day book. So sales day book cancelled. But wrongly posted to the debit of Mr. S. So Mr. S को आपने wrong debit किए with an amount of rupees 70. Now what is your rectified entry? Keep the correct in the same place. When you keep the same correct in the same place, Q's account debit 700. Shift the wrong in the opposite place. You have to shift the wrong debit. It is in the opposite place. It comes to credit side. Credit side means to Mr. S account as an amount of rupees 70. Out of 700, 70 गया तो कितना मिलता? That is to be taken suspense account as a 630. I hope you understood, right? What is entry? Q's account debit, to R's account, to S account, to suspense account. Your entry will be Q's account debit 700 dash, to S account dash 70, to suspense account 630. Right? Being wrong debit to S account is rectified. Fine. Let us move on to the last transaction. Total of the discount allowed column. What do you mean by discount allowed column? Expenses. It is to be debited correctly. In the cash book for a September was not posted. Posting नहीं हुआ. अब posting करना. Posting किया तो क्या होता? Discount allowed account debit to what? Suspense account. Now your entry will be discount allowed account debit to suspense account. How much amount? An amount of rupees 350. Being discount allowed is now posted. Fine, my dear students, this is how we have to do the solution for this particular problem that completes all the 4 points. I hope you got it right. Here most important is this third entry Q and S, and the first entry, that is goods returned by A was correctly entered in A's account but wrongly recorded in sales day book. These are the things where you need to give the lot of concentration. Okay. Thank you. Namaskar. Bye bye. Take care.